the mandate we have is given to us by the people. And currently, there seems to be widespread disenchantment on the streets. You don't have to go far to actually have a look. A lot of things in this country are not happening well, so I've decided that because of that, I've sort of felt our government has lost its legitimacy. And being in that cabinet, and extending my time in that cabinet would do me no good, and also my people no good. So I've decided to resign from the cabinet, and I've decided to resign from the Marape government. Like I said, the reasons are many. Institutions of states have been desecrated to a level where now they sort of no longer do their constitutional functions. They are instruments used by the masters who are in charge. And I've realized that political survival has actually become, the most important thing today, and not the interest of the nation. So at that point, I think I've decided that I should resign from the government, and maybe my resignation is like a protest, open protest, and hopefully Prime Minister Marape takes into consideration. I'm pretty sure there's a couple others. Honorable Brian Kremer himself has resigned yesterday, and hopefully those things should prompt him to actually take an active look at the issues that surround us, because obviously the country is actually going down. There's a general moral and societal decadence being observed today. Mediocrity, insanity, and tyranny are actually espoused and celebrated. And when those things start to happen, you know that there's generally a moral sort of decadence that's happening, and if we allow these things to prolong any further, it would really, in a way, it would really destroy this country. So because of those things, I decided to resign, and of course, I take this opportunity to also thank the Prime Minister for giving me an opportunity to be part of his cabinet. Those are my opinions. He probably may have his own opinions. The government may have their own opinions on how they see things. It's up to them.